phones.
No lights.
No motor cars.
Not a single luxury.
Like Robinson Crusoe, it's primitive as can be.
Welcome to 000. Please state your emergency.
Stranded.
I'm sorry, did you say spandex?
Stranded.
I'm sorry, did you say abandoned?
Stranded.
You have said stranded. Connecting you now. Thank you for holding. Your call is now second in line. Your call is important to us.
Yes. Oh, you're joking. You are joking. The battery's flat. You know, it really wouldn't be so bad if we just knew what was happening on days of our lives.
I'm sorry, Ginger. I just need a little space.
Was that you, Marianne? Oh, stop!
That Ginger? Not again. It's all those coconuts.
It's not me, I haven't been eating. You had the last meal?
I'm over it.
Oh, it's you!
Just give me some
Oh,
space.
it's so disgusting!
You are disgusting.
Like Robinson Crusoe, it's primitive as can be.